Good morning. Today we're doing subtraction with regrouping. We will begin by reviewing subtraction with two-digit numbers. Let's say we have 72 minus 15. We will write this vertically like this. I can see by looking in my ones place that I cannot take 5 from 2, so that's when I regroup. I will break apart one of my tens into ones so I can subtract. So I have 7 tens and 2 ones, and I take a 10 away from the 7 tens, leaving 6 tens. Then I put those 10 ones with the 2 I already had, leaving 12 ones. Now I can subtract. 12 ones minus 5 ones equals 7 ones. 6 tens minus 1 10 equals 5 tens. Your answer is 57. So let's write that properly. I will show my regrouping by crossing out the 7 in the tens place. Taking 1 10 from 7 tens leaves 6 tens. Then I add a 1, meaning 1 10, to the 2 ones, which makes 12. It should look like this. Now you can subtract in the ones place. 12 minus 5 equals 7. Then subtract in the tens place. 6 minus 1 equals 5. Your final work should look like this. Let's do some three-digit numbers subtracting three-digit numbers. We always start addition or subtraction in the ones place. Then we work on the tens place, then the hundreds. So, starting in the ones place, I can see I cannot take 8 from 5, so I go next door and borrow 10 more. Go to the tens place. And the 6 means 6 tens or 60. I will take a 10 from there and put it with the ones. There will be 5 tens and 15 ones, right? Now subtract in the ones place. 15 minus 8 equals 7. This is after we've subtracted in the ones place. Now subtract in the tens place. 5 minus 3 equals 2. Well, since they're tens, it's really 50 minus 30 equals 20. This is what we have after we've subtracted the tens and the ones place. Now subtract the hundreds. 4 minus 1 equals 3, which really means 400 minus 100 equals 300. Your answer is 327. We will do a few more. Number 1, 250 minus 129. First, look in the ones place. If the number on the bottom is bigger or greater than the number on the top, you will regroup. Go to the next column, the tens, to borrow 1 10. You have regrouped, and that leaves 4 tens and 10 ones. Now subtract, beginning in the ones place, then in the tens, and finally in the hundreds. How did you do? Number 2, 674 minus 369. Where do you look first? The ones place. Do I regroup? Is the number on the bottom larger than the number on the top? If it is, you regroup. Move a 10 from the tens column to the ones column. Don't forget to make the number in the tens place one smaller since you took one away. Now you can subtract. Please practice the worksheets your teacher sends home and practice your iReady lessons, and this will get easier every time. Take care.